Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today I'm going to show you how to take some Easter eggs and turn them into adorable bunnies with just a little bit of yarn, ribbon, and some embellishments. For this project, I used foam Easter eggs from Dollar Tree, but you can use plastic ones just as well and it will work out perfectly. I did have some pipe cleaners and we are cutting them about 4 inches long. And you can see here that I am poking them into the foam Easter eggs and angling them so you are actually making the ear for the bunny. If you are using plastic Easter eggs, you will have to hot glue this part. So now we are simply starting at the bottom with hot gluing our yarn. You can use any yarn you like, any colors you like, and you're just gonna hot glue, twist, hot glue, twist. Once you get to the middle of the egg, it's gonna wanna roll on you, and so you may have to do a little bit of maneuvering and use a little bit more yarn depending on where you are on the egg. Once you get to the top, you can see that I'm simply just very gently actually wrapping the pipe cleaner ears as well, and you're going to see it all come together here. It's really fun because you can actually move the ears around and give them a little bit of character. I did that with the black one, which actually turned out to be my favorite in the end, and I didn't think it would be. So now we're just going to do a coral one and a yellow one. Once you're done with your bunnies, you're going to want to make a bow that you can adhere to the bottom of the ears. And you can make any bow you want. We are going to do our traditional scrappy bow where we lay a piece of twine out, which you're going to see right here. And then we're going to crisscross all of our ribbons to create a bow and tie it up together and then glue it on. I'm not really sure why you can't see the next step, but you see the little puff ball there. We actually glued that to the bottom back of the bunny for his little tail. To make the nose and whiskers, I had some stretchy string that I got from actually the jewelry department at Hobby Lobby. You can get it at Walmart. It's stretchy and it's actually perfect because I really like the way it lays. And I took 3 pieces and then we used a little half pearl and glued the pieces under the half pearl. So the nose is actually on top of them. You can trim them to size. These were so cute. It just gave that extra little dash of character that they actually truly needed. And these are amazing, ladies. These are fun. You can do them with kids. I would love to see pictures if you share them on social media with me. If you love this DIY and like all things home creative, please visit theruffleddaisy.org and follow me on all the social media channels.